Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add a cool glow effect on your image, then this video is for you. First, you have to simply open an image here. So I'm going to upload an image from here, like upload. So upload a full file here, or you can simply go with any type of, for example, any size from here. So I'm going to add a size here, the presentation size. I'm going with that. Now here I have some images, so it could be this one. So I'm going to add the image as a background here. So we have just set it as a background, set image as background on the canvas. Now if you want to add a glow effect on your character on that image, then first you have to simply remove the background of your character. So if you are this image actually, so if you are actually a Canva Pro user, then you can find this BG remover tool that will help you to remove your background from your image, and it will just capture that object that actually on that object or a person on that image. So you can also use some free third-party website that is like remove.bg or the photo room. You can go there and you can upload that photo, and it will just remove your background from your image. So I have just removed a background from here. So you have to add the remove background image from that website. Now you have to add it here by uploading it. Now I'm going to add that photo from here, so just like this. So you have to just adjust it. So I'm going to adjust the photo, or I'm going to go back, and or you can just set it as the background, or you can just make it the same as the background, just like this. Here you can see it has just actually just placed perfectly. No one can actually recognize that there is two images, one upon one. So you can simply tap on the upper one from here, and you can simply click on edit and go with the shadow. Here is the shadow. So simply click on glow. Here you can see for the glow shadow, it has just reduced the size from here. So but that's not a problem. You can simply click here, you can find the blur amount. Make sure that you have set it to like this 30 to 40, and make it the intensity to the max here, and make it the blur. You have to set the blur to the 0 and make the intensity to the max. And from here you can choose the size. So I'm going to decrease a size from here. Now you can change the color. So for glowness, you can simply click on this. So for glowness, it could be a yellow color from here, just like this, or you can set a blur amount that actually looks like glowy, and you can just go with this. So that's how you can make your image or object or person glowy like this in Canva. So that's how you can use the glow effect on Canva. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.